Hello everyone, so today we are going to unbox the brand new VEBNOR N95 mask which I have bought from Flipkart. So let's unbox it. The first cut, here we go. And I have bought it for 189. You can check it out from Flipkart. I think it is not actually N95 because N95 is very high quality mask and I didn't think so that it is so of high quality. Here the box opens and we have protective face masks written on the box. This is the box of masks, so take it out, putting the box aside. Let's look at it. Some informations written on the box like 5-layer protective layer with no spin, and the price written here is 600, but I already tell that I bought it for 189. So let's open the box and check what is inside it. And here we go, we have got 4 pack of masks and the color are pretty much good. They all are very good colors. This is yellow one and it has a logo N95 written on the mask, and it also has a metal pin. It is of good quality. So this is black, blue and this gray color. So let's open it and check how's the quality of the mask. So let's open it. Here we go, and the fabric is really good. It is very soft and it has air filter also. Yeah, and the fabric is really good and it has that pin. So let's wear it and check how's the comfortability of this mask, and I am pretty much sure that it is very comfortable mask. You can sure buy it. Good quality, N95 logo and very comfortable. And here I think glue is missing here. Nice. This is, you can fit according to your nose and good quality. And you can see the photo, the fitting of the mask is very awesome. You can try it surely. Thank you.